Mabuhay tayong lahat. Magandang araw. Ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo ngayon, I want to share how my channel got monetized. I started my channel last September 2023. I started uploading videos, and I love music. That's why I uploaded music videos. Susubukan kong mag-English para sa ating mga viewers abroad. Hindi ako marunong mag-English, pero susubukan natin. Kailangan. I upload different kinds of videos, and after 10 months I was able to achieve 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I applied for monetization, and my channel was suspended. YouTube suspended my channel because of copyright issues, and YouTube told me to edit my channel. So I reviewed my videos, and I deleted all the videos with copyright issues. Then after my suspension was over, I applied again. I reapplied for monetization, and that's it. My application was approved, and I am happy for it. That's an achievement for me, for my life, for myself, and this is how I did it to achieve the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I uploaded videos every day, shorts, YouTube shorts, and one more thing, you must also help your channel. After uploading your video, be the first one to watch and be the first one to like. That's how it is. You got to help your channel grow. Keep on uploading videos like what I did. I uploaded shorts every day, about 6 shorts videos, and that's it. That's how I achieved my 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I uploaded many shorts. It took me a very long time, but that's okay, as long as my channel is now monetized. You can do it too if you want. That's my advice to you. Ganyan lang. Mabuhay tayong lahat. That's it. God bless you all.